Shop Talk. We're going to look at a Stihl 56 chainsaw. This is that 81cc motor. The dry weight on that power head is 20 pounds. This saw is capable of running up to a 42-inch bar. This one we got a 32-inch on it, and that's a new chisel bit skip tooth chain with a sprocket nose bar. And that's 3/8 063 gauge. And we'll get up close. This one's not a real beauty, but it does run well. Cosmetics are not the best. Got a weld on the handlebar. That's aluminum handlebars, and they were easily welded, and that one has a weld on it right there. It's a wrap handlebar. Got the throttle lock. You can't trip that trigger unless you push the operator presence lever down. Throttle lock, squeeze them both, push that button in. That holds that at just about a quarter throttle, and then when you hit your trigger she goes back to an idle. On off switch and choke. And it's missing that air cleaner cover, and out here in the west about 90% of them are missing it because it increases the airflow. And everybody wanted to have that saw breathing better and less time cleaning that air cleaner. The chips fell out. The cover kept them in. Got the large muffler and large falling spike. And that does have that exhaust on the side designating an 056. And we'll go outside and make a cut with it.